What's up, gang? What's going on? We're gonna introduce to you the next project car that we're bringing back to life. You can see the wheels are still in my back seat. Haven't had a chance to mount them on. The weather's been crazy down here on the Gulf Coast, man. It's been raining just about every day for like the past 5.5 months, man. I really can't wait to see how it looks like washed up and everything with the wheels on and everything too. So y'all stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, do what you gotta do. And if you haven't seen my past vlogs, take a glance, take a look, man. It might be something you're interested in. Anyways, we about to be there, so y'all hang tight, all right? There y'all have it, man. That's the new project. But before we slap the wheels on there, gonna clean it off real good. I'm gonna bomb the engine bay, cause the last time I took a look, that bitch had spiders all in that motherfucker, man. And I'm not trying to get hit by one of them motherfuckers while trying to vlog and restore a fucking car, you know? So that's what we about to do. We'll pull it out, put it in like this spot right here, get that going, you know? It's hot as fuck out here. Fucking best friend right here, man, when you doing car shit. There y'all go. We finna wash all this shit off, man. Watch me make this motherfucker come back to life. Believe it. I gotta take a breather. It's hot as hell out here. We're in the South, bro. Let me give y'all a little backstory on this car, man. I'm actually the second owner of this car. I purchased it used back in 2005. It had about 7,000 miles on it, so it's still fairly new. I drove it for the longest time, man. It drove all over the coast, man. South Florida, all the way back up, everywhere, bro. Well, I had a ride through the fucking block. And it's a 2A ZFE, man. It's a reliable engine. It is an automatic, so it was good to daily here and there, easy commuter, you know. It looked good the way it sat. AC worked, everything's good. Interior is still pretty damn flawless. It just got some mildew on it, which ain't nothing to bust down some mildew, man. Ain't no big deal at all. I know it's gonna look good as shit anyways by the time I get done with it. The oil consumption is ridiculous on it. And then, you know, if you redline them enough, you'll shoot a fucking rod through your block easy, bro. Almost made it home that day, 5 minutes away, and it ended up busting a hole in the block like right before our exit. It's been sitting for a while at that time. Just couldn't really source out an engine that I'd like to pay for, which until now, they're still expensive, man. They're still about $1,500 for an engine. I'm not really trying to throw it on there knowing that I don't really have that type of attachment to this vehicle anymore. But I'm gonna go ahead and restore it anyways. Maybe throw it on the market, who knows? Maybe cruise around it every now and then. I don't know yet, man. We already know it's got some fresh wheels and tires for it already. Already got coilovers, spacers, all that good shit. Actually, matter of fact, I got the hood popped right now. If I can find the fucking latch, there it goes. So yeah, it's been sitting for a little while, but the last time I looked at this shit, man, there was fucking spiders everywhere, man. So I just didn't want to fuck with it at that time. And we do got under that blue tarp right there. There's another 2A ZFE with the donor car in the back. That's what we're gonna do. I don't know if y'all can see, deep down in there somewhere is where the hole was, all right? Shot right through. But we're restoring this back to its original form, man, with plus some new wheels. So it's gonna be pretty dope. All right, don't even mind that green shit. We finna take it all off. Since I mentioned to y'all earlier about them spiders in the engine bay and shit, this is what we finna do. We finna bomb that engine bay real quick, man. Cause fuck that shit, man. I'm not trying to get bit by a spider while restoring a car, you know what I mean? Finna pressure wash this thing. Had to get some gas. No E85. What the fuck? Alright, so y'all, I showed y'all a little bit of me pressure washing it, this and that, and I told you we're gonna get all that mildew off, man. So peep this out. This is just with the white tip, no soap, nothing, just water. Alright, you already see the difference right there, right? That's just water, man. We looking good. We looking real good. Oh, and here's the engine bay. Looking real good. I'm just doing this to get all the bugs and shit out, man. And there was a lot of like dirt, or there's something living in this motherfucker, man. But I had to get most of this shit out, man. So when I work on it, man, nothing spooky pops up on your boy, you know? Fuck that, we pressure washing this shit. We getting rid of that engine anyways. New engine right there. Oh shit, a heart. Damn, bro, look at this shit. Scared the fuck out of me, man. Y'all saw that before? Damn. Ain't that relieving? A little before right here. Fucking disgusting. A little after right here. Man, look at that shit, man. This shit's about to look fire. Plus, we throwing these wheels on it too. Boy, look at that. Look at that. Alright, gang. The TC is pretty clean right now, man. All we did was hit it with the pressure washer. I already know the paint is gonna be pretty oxidized. We got our purpose done with getting all of the mildew off, getting all the debris off the car. I will wash it, probably not today, but I will wash it. I'm not gonna detail it and bring that paint back to life. I'm actually leaving it to the pros for that one, all right? Y'all probably see it in the next up and coming vlogs. Last thing, probably to restore that paint, pull that shine back out. And I know it's there. Y'all can see, y'all remember all the mildew that was on it? But look at that. Tell me that don't look good already, all right? So the purpose of this vlog was to clean the outside, pull it to this spot right here, and slap the wheels on. So we got 2 out of 3 done. Next thing you're gonna see is the car sitting on its brand new wheels. Y'all ready for that? All in all, I'm pretty excited about what's going on here. Y'all see, that's with the mildew taking off. I'm not restoring and pulling out the paint myself. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna leave it to the pros to get all that oxidation out. This is what we got, man. We bringing the TC back, you dig? Bam. Don't she look good? I think she looked pretty sweet, bro. On the next vlog, we're gonna be trying to take the engine out, get everything prepped for the new engine, and hopefully everything goes accordingly, because you already know shit's gonna be seized up, shit's probably gonna break, but it is what it is, right? We gotta see them results. Let's get it. Until next time, IG at confiscated.goods, FB at goods built. Y'all ready for that?